Starting a business is always exciting but also comes with certain risks and challenges. One of the most important decisions an entrepreneur must make is the type of business entity they choose to form. In Vermont, one popular option is to start a limited liability company, LLC. This video will explore the benefits of forming an LLC in Vermont and provide a step-by-step guide on how to start one. Benefits of starting an LLC in Vermont. Personal asset protection. One of the main benefits of forming an LLC in Vermont is the protection it offers to personal assets. In an LLC, the business owner's personal assets are separate from the business's assets, which means that if the business incurs debts or faces a lawsuit, the business owner's personal assets are not at risk. Flexible taxation. LLCs in Vermont have the option to choose how they want to be taxed. They can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. This flexibility allows LLC owners to choose the most beneficial tax structure for their business. Limited liability protection. LLCs provide limited liability protection to its members, which means that they are not personally liable for the debts and obligations of the company. This protects the members' personal assets from being seized to pay off the company's debts. Ease of management. LLCs in Vermont are easy to manage and have fewer formalities compared to other business entities like corporations. For example, LLCs don't need to hold regular shareholder meetings, and they have fewer annual reporting requirements. Easy formation. Starting an LLC in Vermont is relatively easy and inexpensive. The state offers an online filing system, making the process quicker and more convenient. Additionally, the filing fee is affordable, making it accessible for small business owners. Steps to start an LLC in Vermont. Step 1. Choose a name. The first step to starting an LLC in Vermont is choosing a name for your business. The name should be unique and not already in use by another business in Vermont. You can search for available names on the Vermont Secretary of State's website. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. All LLCs in Vermont must appoint a registered agent who can receive legal documents and other official notices on behalf of the company. The registered agent must have a physical address in Vermont and be available during regular business hours. Step 3. File articles of organization. The next step is to file articles of organization with the Vermont Secretary of State's office. The form requires basic information about the LLC, including its name, address, registered agent, and members' names and addresses. Step 4. Draft an operating agreement. While an operating agreement is not required in Vermont, it is highly recommended. The operating agreement is a legal document that outlines the LLC's management structure, the roles and responsibilities of each member, and the company's operating procedures. Step 5. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain certain licenses and permits from the state or local government. Check with the Vermont Department of Taxes and the Vermont Secretary of State's office to determine what licenses and permits are required for your business. Step 6. Obtain an EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to identify a business entity. LLCs are required to obtain an EIN, which is used for tax purposes, opening bank accounts, and hiring employees. Step 7. File annual reports. LLCs in Vermont are required to file an annual report with the Secretary of State's office. The report includes basic information about the LLC, such as its address and members' names and addresses. The fee for filing an annual report is $35. In conclusion, starting an LLC in Vermont can offer many benefits, including personal asset protection, flexible taxation options, limited liability protection, ease of management, and easy formation. By following these steps and taking advantage of the benefits offered by an LLC, you can create a strong foundation for your business and protect your personal assets. It's important to remember that forming an LLC is just the beginning of building a successful business, also to ensure long-term success. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, The whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.